Make a great choice today with the 2007 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, rear step bumper, towing package, power mirrors, brake assist, braking assist, front stabilizer bar, front wheel independent suspension, chrome rear bumper, privacy glass. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.